719 Bristol Avenue, Simi Valley, California, an equestrian property. The house is a one-story home offering 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths, RV parking, lush green grass area, lots of mature trees, newer roof. Walk into a beautiful remodel home with new flooring, freshly painted throughout, 5-inch baseboards, living room, and a private dining room. Lots of windows and the lights coming through. The family room boasts a beautiful fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and is also connected with the dining and the kitchen, which was remodeled recently with stainless steel appliances, newer windows, and a large central island. As you walk down the hallway, you will find the 4 bedrooms. All bedrooms have ceiling fan, freshly painted, new flooring, and the 5-inch baseboards. The hallway bathroom takes you to the backyard and has a full bath. The master bedroom has a slider door to the outside and its own private bathroom. Walk-in shower. Let's go to the back. Nice sitting area, plenty of room to entertain all your guests and family. Grandma and grandpa enjoying reading in the backyard. And here's your private spa. Again, a lot of grassy area, park-like sitting. You can enjoy reading a book, fire pit. As you step down to the lower level, you find the 4-car garage, which is a over 800 square foot building with a covered patio. Horse trail runs behind the house. Long RV parking from the street to the back. Welcome home.